Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. iOS 15.4 RC is out now. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install 15.4 RC on iPhone 6s to iPhone 13 series. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First, we have to launch Safari browser and in Google search for beta profile, and we are going to use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website, and we have to scroll and tap install profile. Now tap install anyways. A pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in Cydia app if you want to install it. Tap close, minimize the Safari browser and launch settings. Profile downloaded. Now tap install top right corner. iPhone passcode required. Tap install top right corner, install. If you want to restart, tap on restart, otherwise tap on not now and tap done. Now force close all the app that are running in the background and launch settings again. Now tap journal and tap software update, and iOS 15.4 RC is ready to download in your iOS device by tapping download and install. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.